What the fuck is up? So I know it's been a minute. Thought I'd film right now. Basically because why the fuck not? So Kanjo lightning bolt on the Civic. I already did the driver's side like a couple days ago. Debating if I want to leave the back there because it looks kind of good like that, or do the bumper also. I'm gonna be doing that, obviously. That we'll see, but we'll get this lightning bolt done, and yeah, spray some fucking paint. I started spraying paint, but actually I have to clean everything off. There's a couple little things I want to sand down, so you can tell. Got that all these little Bondo fucking bubbles, as you can see clearly as day. And then just here, where like it cracked, because clearly it didn't like stick or something. So I'm just gonna sand those down quick, and then we'll paint. So my spots are sanded down a lot smoother and a lot smoother. So we're gonna get right into it. I'm thinking I'm probably gonna end up painting the bumper. We'll find out. But like, just fucking blanked. It's been so long since I filmed. Okay, now we're gonna get right into painting. It's the last of this can, so it just sucks. That's why I'm doing the bottom of the bottom with it. I swear I'm a better painter than this. You guys get the point. I'll film me painting the actual car. Sorry for the ghetto filming, guys. I did not think about it. I was not going to film today, so I didn't bring most of my time. Down. Maybe we won't do the bumper today because maybe I don't have enough.
The seats? And he said,
well, got about one layer done. Gonna let it dry up a little bit. That's pretty much done. Eventually I'll wet sand and maybe clear coat. Who knows? Because eventually I might just end up painting the whole thing black one day. I don't know, we'll see. Got half a can left, so I'm gonna spray the last little bit of this here. Calling that it. I'm gonna save the last little bit to do the sand. These couple little spots tomorrow. Wet sand. Smooth that shit out and repaint. We're gonna let this dry up a bit, and then we'll do the reveal and pull off the tape. While we're letting that shit dry, thought I'd come over here and show you guys the sedan. I haven't showed you guys this in a while. So as you can tell, it's been kind of neglected, but also not really. So if you aren't following me on Instagram, the swap is in. The motor's in. Everything looking shiny and fresh as hell. Innovation fucking motor mounts. So I had a problem with V half shaft or something. So need to get a new half shaft, so I can't run the axles yet. Need to get a distributor, starter. As you can see right down there, it's hitting. It like just fucking barely hit. So I'm gonna trim that up. Traction bar down there. So I'll just run that for now. But the bay is looking pretty clean otherwise. Not too sure what I'm gonna do that yet. I'm gonna get that painted. Possibly powder coated, probably just paint it myself. Oh, I can't wait for first start up from this car. Okay, let's see you guys with the reveal. Get a rag, you know, get it all over the rag. Get the rag all nice and soaked up a little bit, but not too much. Don't get too crazy. I'm gonna come over here. So you see, just like that. Boom. I would not suggest doing this if you, I don't know, like, just don't go crazy with it. Like, mask off your car if you have to. It takes like 10 minutes. No, it doesn't. It takes like a couple hours to do a full car, but the result you'll be so much more happy with. But also, there's like no overspray down there, as you can see. There's probably a bit on the window. No, we're good. A little bit right there on the pillar. Look at that. So the other day, you can see that overspray. I'm just hitting it with a good scrub. That's old overspray too, guys. Just take your time. Oh, I think I got some on the light over here. So peel everything off and then I'll show you guys how to go on. I have one of these stupid little pins left. On this side at least. I think I have two on the other side. Screwdriver. And that's why I don't have any left, because I just push them in. Fuck as if I remember what I did with the screw here. Oh, there it is. Snap these clips back in. Oh man, these things kind of suck. So I do have that bottom piece, but I don't have the clip for it. As you can tell, it like broke there. So I can't fasten that, and I really don't want to lose it. I feel like I'd rather rock it without it than lose it. Here you ladies go. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Should I do the bumper, or does it look kind of good without the bumper? Shit. Let me know.